Hey.
Accordion starts with A. Touch the accordion.
Good job.
Accordion. Can you say A?
No.
A.
A.
Hey.
E.
Elephant
E.
starts with E. Touch the
E.
elephant.
I.
I. Indian bells starts with I. Touch. Can you say I?
I.
O.
O. O.
Touch the animal that makes this sound.
O.
Can you say O? Orangutan oboe.
O. Boom! It said, oh no, I'm not getting up, Mama. Connor, look. See, look, watch. Connor. See, look at Papa. No. I'm gonna get you though. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Mama.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Pure cats. Yes. You called it. Catch it to me. I got it. Catch it. Yeah. Catch it. Catch it to me. 1, 2, 3. Ah, I got it. Catch it to me.
Oh, almost. Nice try. Good throw, though.
Catch it to me. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Ah. 1, 2, 3. Here comes the ball. Catch it to me.
Good job.
Connor, that's so nice.
Thanks.
Are you rubbing Logan's back? Hello. Hi. What are you doing? Are you happy to see Daddy? Logan, can you say up? Up. Logan,
Those some nice pants you have, buddy.
say
Look
up.
at those pants.
Up.
Nice.
Hi. Look at those feet. Are you still happy? It's past your bedtime. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Hey. Logan. Hello. You say A. A. You say up. 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 Mama. Hey, psst. Logan.
The backyardigans are on. Hold on. Ooh, this is a new one.
Hi.
So he's almost 12 months old. How many words does he know?
I don't know.
Up, mama, dada,
A, B, E.
A, B, E,
And Papa.
papa.
Papa. Where is he? Where's Papa?
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Psst. Kitcha, kitcha, kitcha. Oh, I go kitcha.
Connor,
A dime.
a dime?
I got a dime for you.
Where'd you get a dime? Let me guess. Out of my drawer in my bedroom?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
You love it?
I love it. Thank you.
Oh, stop.
Oh, shucks.
Oh.
Look at all your toys.
Baby, don't.
Logan. Logan, say hi.
Ow.
Hi.
Oh,
Logan. Hi. Are you dancing? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Logan, where's Papa? Where's Papa? Hello.
go.
Where's Papa?
Ow.
Where'd he go? Where's Peppa? Logan, what's a cow say? Moo. Moo.
A cow say moo.
Moo.
A cow.
What's a cow say, Log? Moo.
What's cow? What's a
Moo.
cow say? You think you know the cow? What's a couch?
What does a couch say? Couches don't talk. Bless you. Bless you. Sleepy boy.
Oh, you know what a couch says? Connor, look. See the couch? Look, he talks right here. He says, "Why is everybody always sitting on me?"
Daddy's been hanging out with Uncle Bill.
Let's see if we can get him to roll over.
We're out of tape.
Oh,
That's why I'm just using it. Oh, hi, Dada.
my baby. My baby.
He doesn't talk. Cows don't talk. This, that's not a couch day. See? That's what a couch is.
That's what a couch says? A couch makes that noise? It's great. Oh. Nice, Connor.